Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect and sync Calendly to GoHighLevel. Let's get started. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and on the agency dashboard, just click on the sub-account that you want to link Calendly to. Next, on the left panel, click on Calendars, then Calendar Settings, then Connections, then click Add New down here. You do have a lot of calendar options to sync here like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar, and of course Calendly. Just click on the Connect button right next to it. This will open a new tab in Calendly, prompting you to sign up or log into your Calendly account if you already have one. Next, another prompt will show and just click on Connect to Calendly. And as you can see, you have successfully connected and synced Calendly to GoHighLevel. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.